Now today we'll learn the statistics questions, short answer questions. Number one is the mean of 7 observation is 17. If the mean of the first 4 observation is 15 and that of last 4 observation is 18, then the fourth observation is. So let us no. This is the question, okay? Now solution. Okay, so this is solution. Okay, the mean of 7 observation is 17. How you will write? Suppose x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 plus x7 is how much? 17. And if it is mean, you have to divide it by the total number of observations, 7. So this line will imply that x1 plus x2 plus x3 x4 x5 x6 x7 is 17 into 7 is 119. Okay, now second line is first 4 observation is 15. So first 4 observation means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. 4 divided by 4 and it is 15. So this line will imply that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 15 into 4 is 60. Now third line, the last 4 observation is 18. So last 4 means what? Last 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So x4 plus x5 plus x6 plus x7 and its means of 4 is 18. So this line will imply x4 plus x5 plus x6 plus x7 is 18 4 72. Now we have already done the most of the part of our question. So if we need space, we will utilize this. If we don't need, we will not utilize it. Now see, when we add this, let us name this as 1, this as 2 and this as 3. So 2 plus 3 minus 1 we will do. That will serve our purpose. So 2 plus 3. So you can write 2 equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 1. So what you will get? 2 plus 3 you do x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 plus x7, this and this. Okay, and minus one more thing you have to do at the same time, first equation. So this will x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 plus x7. Okay, and the whole will give you what? Will give you 60 plus 72 minus 119. Now from this only what you will see is, you can see some terms or most of the terms will get cancelled. How? This is minus. So minus is with every term. So x1 will be cancelled with x1, x2, x2, x3, x3, x4, 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 no other x4, so x4 will remain, x5, x5, x6, x6, x7, x7, because minus sign is there. It will apply to every terms inside the bracket. So we are left with what? x4 is equal to, this is 2, 7 plus 6 is 13, 132 minus 119, and that is, this is 12 When you will subtract 132 minus 19, 12 minus 9 is 3 and 12 minus 11 is 1, so 13. Fourth term is 13. Okay, so you can choose the option as 13. Now come to the second question. Very easy question it is. If the mean of 2, 9, x plus 6, 2x plus 3, 5, 10, 5 is 7, then the value of x is. Very simple question it is. 1 or 2 mark question maybe. So how to write? 2 plus 9 plus x plus 6 plus 2x plus 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 and mean. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms are there. 7 and the mean is 7. You have to find the value of x. Now add all these. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 3, 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 3 is 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 5 is 40. Use 2x plus x, 3x. You will be understanding that I am making you how to add the numbers, but it is not like that. I'm just kidding. So 40 plus 3x is 49. So 3x will be how much? 49 minus 40, that is 9. Okay, so this will give you what? X equal to 9 upon 3. So cancel out 3. So 3. So x is 3. So this is the value. See, D is the option. Okay, now come to the next question. This is the very simple question once again. If the maximum number of students has obtained 52 marks out of 80, then 52 will represent mean, 52 will represent median, 52 will represent mode, 52 will represent range. This is the meaning of the question. Okay, so you know by the definition of mode that the maximum number of repetition of data is called mode. So maximum number of student has obtained 52, so 52 will be the mode of the data. So this is the option, that's all. Now come to the fourth question. Mode and median of the data is this. Now in this question you have to use the empirical formula. You must be aware of this. Empirical formula. What is it? It is saying that mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Now mode and median of the data are 15x and 18x. So mode is 15x and mean is, median you have to find out. Median 2 into mean is 18x. So what you will get? 15x plus 30, 6x equal to 3 median. Okay, so this will give you 51x equal to 3 median. So median will be what now? 51x divided by 3. So simple. Median 317. So 17x. Median is 17x. Okay, all questions are not like this easy, but these are short answer questions. So 17x, C is the option. Okay, now come to the fifth part of the question. Question is this. Okay, if the mode of some observation is 10 and sum of mean and median is 25, then mean and median respective. This is also empirical formula. Once again, repeating question, empirical formula. So you will able to remember the formula also. What is it? Mode is equal to 3 median. How to remember? You are 2 mean, so minus 2 mean. This way you can remember formula. 3 median minus 2 mean, like that. Mode equal to. Now mode of some observation is 10. So you have mode as 10 and 10, not 0. One more information. Sum of mean and median means mean plus median is given as 25. Then you have to find the mean and median separately using these relations. Okay, so we will use this relation. Mode 10 is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, now to solve this we will just multiply this equation by 2. We used to do in solving equations, and then we will write the whole expression here. 25 into 2 is 50, and 2 into median is 2 into median plus 2 into mean. There is no question of sign, so all the signs are positive. Okay, mean plus median, I have written median plus 2 mean. That is for our purpose only, because we are going to solve here. 2 mean and this will cancel. You will be left with 60 is equal to 5 median. Okay, you can solve it in other way also, whatever your as you like. I have done this method. Okay, linear method you can also use. So 60 upon 5 is median. So this will give you median as 12. Now mode you have to find out. So mode is equal to, it is given your sum. Mean plus median was 25. So 25 minus 12, that is 13. So wherever there is written median 12 and mode 13, that option. Mean and median. So mean is how much? First find mean. This way. This is mean, sorry. This is mean actually, because mode was given. So mean is how much? 13. So come to 13, mean 30, mean 13. So this is the option, because we will confuse, okay, in these two data. So we have to pay attention here also. This also I want to make you to learn, so that you will not make a silly mistake type of mistakes. Okay, thank you.